So we're here at the place for Bung Krian. So we're not sure which one we're going, this one or this one. Hello! Another wonderful morning for a hike up to Bung Krian. So there's an area where you park your car here and you need to walk to the starting place for the hike. Quite a lot of people here today and the weather is really nice. It's very misty today.
There is a small chance of that happening.
This is authentic kampong life. Look at this. After registration and payment at the counter, then you walk towards this area just behind this house, and this is the starting of the trail. This is our guide. He's beckoning the rest to come. There are fishes here in the pond.
Ikan what?
Piranha yang makan daging.
Really ya?
Oh, piranha.
Kenapa kamu belah dia?
Dia ada makan tu rumput. Ini air kami minum, bah.
Oh, I see. Bersihkanlah.
Piranha. Piranha.
Yeah, he says it's piranha.
Put your finger and see.
Huh? You try put your leg inside? The beginning of the trail is not bad. It's quite simple actually. The trail is properly marked, and you don't actually see a lot of canopy here because the forest is quite scarce over this area, and I'm sure towards the peak it will all be rocks only. This is quite an interesting terrain. Look at all the rocks. It looks as if this area was a rocky hill and it got blasted and all these stones come tumbling down. Hello, what are you?
This place can come again.
The view here is just heavenly. Look at the sea of clouds, and that's just That's just Bao town over there, and it's really pretty here. Okay, reaching the end of the hike already. It's already reaching to the bottom of the foothill. I think this is a rather nice hike. So it only takes about half an hour to an hour to reach the peak, depending on your fitness level. And the view is really breathtaking. Come early. I think there are a few people who actually came here maybe about 6 plus or something, and they started their hike around that time. And if you come around 7, I think that's okay too. And just come so that as you reach the peak, you still can see the wonderful clouds beneath. And if you're a bit late, I think the clouds will already have been gone by then. But it depends on your own preference. Some people would like to see the sea of clouds, some people would like to see the view of the city, and so forth. So come and have a look at this place. It's not too far away, it's just in Bao town, just right across the Tasik Biru.